So my name's Anthony. I just sat through Carl's workshop and I really appreciated the way that the workshop brought our team together and got us thinking not only about our personal brand but about the brand of the company, how we can have a greater impact on that, and what we can do to better ourselves every day, both in person and at work.
Hi, my name's Julie, and I just completed Carl's workshop training session with our team here, and it was an incredibly interactive session. Really built the camaraderie amongst our employees and taught us a lot more about our brand and what we represent to our end users and our integrators.
Just finished Carl's workshop, and it was an incredibly informative session. We were able to work together and really collaborate on some ideas that helped our brand. Coming from the marketing department, it's going to be a lot of things that I've taken back to my department and shared, and I'm really excited to see where it takes the PSA brand.